na-ege m ntị ebe ọbụla ị nọ. Ewe video mfo ebe a tag my picture Ebuka Obi, picture nna anyị ukwu bụ Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. Igbo Channels TV. Yes, I'm right. Igbo Channels TV. I believe that guy is the CEO of Igbo Channels TV. When I saw it, I laughed. I know that if they doesn't call you up, which means you don't know what you are doing. And I went to that video, I concentrated, I was listening to that young man. Oji onu umana webia. Mana onu okwu ihe na-apụtazie n'ọnụ ka ma aghọtara. The guy kwere okwu what I was narrating in the videos, because I cannot sit back while Christianity is going down to the mud. People out there are laughing at us that we are practicing Christianity, but our lifestyle doesn't show what we are practicing. We are preaching Christianity, but our lifestyle doesn't show what we are preaching. Our lifestyle on eru orugo n'ebe a na-ama aka asị gị na Jesus anaghị agwọ ọya, na Jesus anaghị akpọnite mmadụ n'ọnwụ. There's nothing like Jesus. Somebody put the Bible gbaa ya ọkụ. And my dear brother, before I forge ahead, esi na ewere ihe dị iche between me and Matthias Ezeako. Please, ayongidododo, please don't use that kind of word on me again. I am totally quite different from Matthias Ezeako. I am not preaching against Christianity. I am trying to make things right that has been wrong for decades in Christianity. I thought that what you should have done now, even if you want to advise me, you look for a way, chat me up in my DM, ask for my phone number, we'll talk first. Obviously, I disagree with you, you will come up on a video. Ebe obu na epụta na video kwuo ya ka epụtazie na video kwuo ya. You compare me with Matthias Ezeako, si na ewere ihe dị iche mụ na Matthias Ezeako. And I've been waiting for you to say that na ihe tkwere ebe ha na-emebi ihe na ebido n'isi gbarụwa mmiri ka mgbari ya ga-adịzi. N'ihe tikweru nwata na-akpali okenye. Echem na karị stand your ground kwuo okwu ahụ, because this is one of the problem I dey face today na Christendom. Nwata amaghị okenye. Okenye kwen na anaghị akwanyere onwe ya ugwu. Mana the case of Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, the very, very clear. Ad me ege ntị ka ịfụ nnu ebe ikwuru ekwu maka ndị na-akparị Father Mbaka, maka ndị Zion, ma Ebuka Obi ha, ma akụ Zion, ma oge echi njaka, ma Ezigo Global, ma oge jee park na gọvanọ eziokwu a na-akparị Father Mbaka. What brings envy and jealousy? Do you know, as a media personnel, am I the risk behind somebody use a picture model when they promote without the consent of that person? Eba salokwo, nebe ye Holy Communion. Call through one part of video. I went through your page. I saw where you iji cameras. Afonge amam need very, very committed na media. Likewise, like me. Mana ka ezi wee pụta personalize ya. Gwa m okwu onye dekpo mbọsị Father Mbaka bịa Lagos. Yes, Father Mbaka has been to Lagos, and that is a history. It is still a documentation na media level today. There was so much crowd. He has been to Port Harcourt. I repeat it again. There was so much crowd. Here in Enugu, there is so much crowd. Places he has been in America, UK, South Africa, there was so much crowd. Are you trying to divert the attention of people that I'm fighting Christianity? Don't you see the abomination going on in Christendom? Monagi anoho media. Likewise, other people. Okwaguwa John Geku uru na agom dị na media. Yes, I know why I put up that challenge. Nke niile na-akparị Father Mbaka, I'm expecting you to say something. Ebe ifuru nkwu bụ ebe nse Evangelist Chukwu Ebuka Obi na onye ọbụla ga-agba video ebe ọ kpọlitegoro onye nwụrụ anwụ n'ọnwụ ma onye ngwụrọ ji ije ma onye isi fụ ụzọ ma onye ogbikwu okwu na m ga-agba 1 million sọsọ nke ahụ ka ịfụ mana ifuru ebe niile ha na-akparị Fada Mbaka odozuwanyị niile ifuru vidio Akụ Zion ị na-aja ị na-eto na o kwesịrị ịbụ one of the elder spokesman of Christianity. In fact, na o kwesịrị ịbụ chief apostle, chief elder of Christianity. Ifuru Akụ Zion ị na-eto ka ị chọọ ka m gbaa gị voice note ka ị chọọ ka m gbaa gị some course Akụ Zion mechego people leaky ebe ọ na-akparị Fada Mbaka. Akụ Zion that Fada Mbaka kpegoro ekpere. Akụ Zion wepụtara $100 ye Fada Mbaka. Fada Mbaka rejected the money, still prayed for him. Why is he fighting Fada Mbaka? And you never said anything concerning that. I'm expecting you to come up with, nah, I don't know, maybe what an apari okay you. Yes, all this why, and I use a picture of Fada Mbaka. Fada Mbaka ekuroku. Fada Mbaka wero obahamba okuhoku. Suddenly Fada Mbaka babamba. Fada Mbaka man on the bishop of Catholic Church. Fada Mbaka man on the so much committed na Catholic Church. Ebuka Obi, yes, he came to Fada Mbaka. Mana, out of camera, personal view, mayena Fada Mbaka gwaya. The message, you are qualified. If we ever had a voice out, we see Ebuka Obi, now Fada Mbaka qualify Ebuka Obi. Fada Mbaka put us na kawara in a media. Na yawa, na they see through Isoku and Holy Communion, a impartation of power game ministry. HM call back is that you be calling things back to order. I go and I try more advice. You can get against it. Mana, what I'm trying to clear, even now fight for. Ka then water, neka Matthias says that case na muni yiji Christianity. E may how caricature. Matthias ibute Bible by yoko. No man of God in Nigeria, not even one, could stand Matthias Ezako. Not even one person. Christianity has everything, every qualities they have to sue Matthias Ezako. In a chegwam today na Matthias Ezako gabawu Quran oko. Ndi na-eti isi naanị agbachi ya nkịtị. Ifuru mkparị niile ndị Zion na-akparị Fada Mbaka. Ifuru caricature niile ji picture Fada Mbaka. Eme Fada Mbaka. Ifuru humiliation niile anya the man. Ifuru insult niile. Ọ bụ na ị chọrọ ịdazi onu eme n'omume ka gasị gị na-egwe ndị ekwuyeru. And the video yes, videos go away kwuo nke imeru. Ebe emenugo such miracle mention. Because emeweziri abaye ịma aka. Ịma ihe ndị Zion kwugide before mpụtazie na media bịa bekwubo okwu. Because that is not what we are expecting in Christendom. Fada Mbaka emenube preaching. We mention evangelist Chukwu Ebuka Obi. All ya fana preaching ya. Ome preaching na arrange. Ndị Zion warriors no evangelist Chukwu. Bloggers ni no ga oburi na akpari Fada Mbaka. And I never see any video email. See ni ha na-eme against Fada Mbaka adorokwa mma. Preaching no arrange ya mecha satisfaction of satisfaction. Lovet bia ye testimony. Asino Fada Mbaka biye na achi ipulu ministry ya down. Na Fada Mbaka na-ega assassinators. Kebuo evangelist Chukwu Ebuka Obi. Ifro those videos. Ebe Ejike Chukwu Ebuka Obi. Say, don't you see that Reverend Father on Alomako? O ka mbabara mba na media ka governor eziokwu pulu video megoro already. Ka obidokwa again from ebe o kwụsị kparo Fada Mbaka. Ifro ebe governor eziokwu and JPAC later confessed that they were being used. How they were being sponsored to insult Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. Then the day he apologized to Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, they even have a WhatsApp group where they discuss. Now the day, now block Oya for 2 days. Now they may embarrass. Now bury him back. So why will he apologize to Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka? Why will he apologize to Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka? Somebody that claims that he's a son. Noro, ana apari papier, no matter whatever papier chastise area. Would he come out to debunk it? To disclaim it? I am not involved in this. I don't want to ever be involved in this. Bikonu. Whoever that is insulting Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka is doing that on his or her own risk. Social media now so poto. Ogi is Father Mbaka may preach and tell Father Mbaka tawe. Later, testimony keys, she key aserome, emechenke lovet me. People started understanding things on wakeji when now Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Then why now pushing it to Father Mbaka? No, Father Mbaka now arranging that honine. Inoro oge chinjakasi na Father Mbaka goro ndi dibia bịara ngwa ọkpaala. 3 or 4 of them ka abịa ni ọgwụ na ngwa ọkpaala. Ifro propaganda ahụ niile a na-ebu. Ese ka ihe ma advice otu nsi ekwu okwu. Don't use that word again on me. Ọkwa ifu Christianity ga-adịnata mma. And the abomination that is happening in Christianity must be good. Ese na otu nsi akpọyi, otu nsi akparị ndị mmadụ. Did I insult you? Did I insult anybody? And then and I was on a live program that day. The people that was insulting me na akpọ m iyi. Ndị Zion bịa na akpọ m iyi. Ka na akpọgwa iyi. Why personalizing the blame on me? And I have never seen where you cautioned Ako Zion. I have never seen where you called Ogechin Jaka and cautioned her. I never seen where you called Ezugo Global and cautioned him. All this nonsense in Nine. Don't you know that what goes around must surely come around? With all those insults to Nine, I'm expecting you as a person to do the needful. Uploading my pictures and talking about me will not solve the problem. Now look at the level of the damage in a Christendom today. Everybody beware, everywhere ministry, everywhere church. Scamming people. Doing fake miracles. Father Mbaka preach maka fake miracle. Maka arrange. Asi na Ebuka Obi ka na agwa. Asi na only were Ebuka Obi ofu anya. Na Ebuka Obi akawagia. Then I want to prove to the whole world if nkula ase. Kede ebe no kare Ebuka Obi no kawe. Bo me ebe Ebuka Obi no kare. Have I not been to Zion? Ebe no gu mu chi Igbo ijinike. 100 hectares of land. How many plots do you think that is there? If all the crowd that place can contain, Zion and Lagos, no muchi wijinike ga compare where. What is happening in Christendom? What is happening? Ke ha na azode. Ebe ikwo, ide comfortable. Ine promote mazoro bitters. Ine tunu, ine promote Ako Zion. Listen, Ako Zion big man. Ako Zion is doing well. Ako Zion ni follow teaching here. No one of the people need. So were any impartation, were any good thing if Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka no. And the name make ibuchukwu my Bible. Can ko warga aka na ibu Bible. Man if the truth, you jump all the truth. In a predict who age him. Can ko warga aka na predict age him. Please, if you want to say the truth, stand for the truth. Unfukwa man of God also. God, word. I'll still stand. Because Christianity, people Christianity. They want to mess Christianity up. That they are the reason why Matthias says we have now succeed. Because now, the other day, Father Mbaka preached about fake prophets. No way. 99.9 in this Nahabo prophets are not prophets. They are scammers. They are fake. They are seeing nothing. Even in the Muroko. Asoka no chukwu Ebuka no Zobi ka anagwa. If the one that called himself Prophet Elijah Pamudele. Is it from somewhere? JJ Kote and key. If people can be hiring people to speak for them. Hiring people. In the Zion, you cannot say as far as in that support, they will start insulting you. They will be abusing you. They will be humiliating, they will be attacking you here and there. Before I name I told Kagesi make arrest. Kageji someone wagi. Kageji menka. Every time they are fighting for their own God. Damage control can name. And when you hear put on mistake or whatever leak in, have made damage control, they will start cornering it. He transferred the blame to Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. Are you not seeing all those things, Nine? Why can't you tackle it? Why can't you tackle it? Bible says, I got no mehe kamarabara yoba. I got no gide na mehe kamarabara yoba. Why do you want to cut the transmission of this message off on time? Why you know that things are not right in Christendom? We are falling apart. Christianity, Yahoo boys, scammers, Juzinia, native doctors that wear the suit, they are wearing suit in the broad daytime, wearing senators in broad daytime, but in the night they will come out. You will know that they are native doctors and there's the wine. How can we fight all these things without being truthful? Why are you being one-sided now on Prince Israel? I should be very, very careful in what I say. You can never speak against anyone because Akozion is your friend. You loved his teaching. I believe that we all are matured. We are adults. We know what we are doing. Let your conscience judge you. If no bona, you a good conscience, ni megi. If what you are doing is right or wrong. Thank you.